Stop working harder and start pausing smarter. Our brains have a daily decision limit. We need to use that limit wisely or we're setting ourselves up for failure. Here's why. Every choice we make, from what to wear to major business decisions, drains some of our mental energy. It's not just about the big decisions, even the small ones compound, leading to what's known as decision fatigue. Trust me, I've been there. So how do we avoid this trap? Well, we simplify our routines and include one crucial element, the pause. As Coca Cola said in their 1929 tagline, it's the pause that refreshes. That's even more true today with information flying at us at breakneck speed. But here's 3 ways that you can make your pauses work for you. Schedule pause blocks on your calendar. These are effective because you're being intentional, and it beats hoping you'll find time. 10 to 15 minutes between intense tasks usually does the job. 2, use your pauses to identify what's not working. You can't improve on anything until you identify the problem and put your attention towards solving it. Ask yourself this: what's the one thing, the one task draining my time and energy right now? And 3, reassess your priorities every afternoon. Things change. New tasks pop up, and reacting without pausing leads to either going off in the wrong direction or wasting your precious time. So here's your action item and mission should you decide to accept it. Pause. Then schedule your pause blocks, write down energizing things to do during those breaks, and then put them into action. Productive pause blocks aren't laziness, they're strategic. Your time and energy are your most valuable and limited resources. Protect them. If these ideas resonate with you, I have 156 previous Sunday starters, all designed to accelerate your success. You can find them below. And help someone else take a break by adding how you pause for success in the comments. Remember, one hand washes the other, and together they get clean. Thank you for watching or reading. Have a really rewarding week, and I'll see you next time.